Hey guys, welcome to Next Friction Zone. Today we're going to be discussing yet another motorcycle crash. This is a very short 12-second clip on the accident. I thought it'd be worth discussing because it involves two motorcycle riders attempting to split lanes. Aha, okay. Well, without further ado, here's the video. What a beauty, isn't it? What a beauty. So, actually, before we do anything else, I just want to say I really hope those two riders made it okay, uh, that nobody got injured. You never know. Just sometimes, if it's a very, it, I guess it doesn't really matter what the optics are, if it looks like a bad crash or if it was just two riders slightly bumping and falling on the road. You never know what kind of injury could have occurred. It could have been, so this could have resulted in a few scratches on your forearm, all the way to mechanical injuries, um, bruised ribs, broken bones, collarbones. You never know. Anything could have happened. So, from this standpoint, I really do hope and pray that these riders made it okay. All right. So, regarding lane splitting, if you guys watch my channel and if you see my videos, you know that I'm a big proponent, right? I am a big proponent as long as you're not breaking any laws, uh, and as long as you're doing it on a safe manner. So, what do you guys think? Was this done in a safe manner? Let's rewind here really quick and let's dissect it a little bit. Okay, here's the first rider. It looks like he's splitting between the second and the third lane. Okay, now he moves to the second, between the first and second lane, and then, it looks like the rider is attempting to now move into um, a non-lane splitting area. Essentially, he's trying to split between the side of the road and the first lane. Have you done this before? Okay, be honest. Yeah, you've done it before, haven't you? Well, I have too. Guilty as charged. Uh, let's just be very honest here. If you've been riding motorcycles for a while, there's a good chance you might have done this. You've tried to, because there's so much traffic and you just saw that it was really difficult to squeeze between two lanes. Maybe you just took a chance and decided to slowly ride on the side of the road. Yeah, people do that. Okay, I don't condone. I think it's dangerous, but I have done it before. I can do better, and I hope you can too. Um, Now, why wouldn't you want to do this, right? Well, for obvious reasons, right? If you are a motorcycle rider, you should know. If you are riding on the side of the road, there's not a lot of wiggle room on the right side. You're basically facing a straight steel barrier. Okay, so your your you know the chances or the opportunity to escape a situation really get cut in half. So it's a little bit unsafe. Now look where I stopped at. Look at the shadow. Doesn't it look like the rider has? Uh, yeah, the rider could have a passenger, or it could just be a backrest. I don't know. I guess it doesn't matter too much. But I thought that was uh, worth noting. But more than the shadow itself, look at the direction of the view. Look at the rider. It looks like the rider turned his head to look a little bit to the side. But as you see, the rider didn't make an effort to fully turn his head and stop to see if there were any cars or if there was anything coming up on the side of the road. Again, guilty as charged. I've done that as well. And it also looks like the rider didn't take the time to look at the side mirror. Okay? He didn't look at the side mirror. He just went for it. Um, yeah, this is a very dangerous thing to do. Um, why? Well, because this happened. Okay, so um, what are your thoughts? Is the first rider at fault, or was the second rider at fault? I mean, the second rider was also breaking the law by splitting between a side of the road and the first lane, right? It's really hard to tell how fast the second rider was going. I guess you can make an argument that if you're riding slowly enough, you should have enough reaction time to pump the brakes per se. Well, I guess this is it. This is something for us to discuss. Let me know what you think. First rider at fault, second rider at fault, was nobody at fault? If you're a rider, give your opinion. Post a comment on the video, and let us know. Okay, well, that's all I have for today, guys. Hope you guys take care of yourselves. Take care. Bye.